Alright, this is Station 51 Clearwater, and this is post jetting. So you can see all the grease that was in there is completely gone. All the buildup and the deposits that were all over the pipe, they're all gone. We went both ways through here. Probably just went straight ahead, but we made sure that the jetter went both directions. I think one's probably going to be a vent, one's a sink. Yeah, we're coming back to the clean out, which is right next to the inlet to the trap.
I won't even look at this.
Alright, so that's our inlet. We got all the big chunks cleared out of it. And then going back under the building, everything's clear. All right, that's the inlet side. We're going to take a look at the outlet side.
What's that?
All right, so that's the outlet side. That's the baffle on the outlet side. Now we're going to look. This is coming out of the trap. So that's the combo tying into the main sewer. We're going to go ahead and clean up that lateral while we got the jetter and everything out. Probably go a little further down here too, just to make sure everything's nice and clean. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get that sucker cleaned up. Alright, so this is the outlet side after we did a little cleaning in it. So we're assuming these are drains in the bays in the garage where the fire trucks are. And there's another clean out right there. Oh, this looks beautiful. Alright, so that's the main. I'm going to go ahead and pull back. Just wanted to make sure we had the lateral that comes off the outlet to the grease trap going to the main clean. We went a little bit further, just made sure everything was nice and clean and flowing. So it's beautiful. Yeah, inlet side's good, outlet side's good. Everything looks a whole lot better than when we first got here. Just pulling up the clean out and I'll conclude the video.